Serua.
That we have and my
Dula Binaka, and a very good afternoon to you. At the outset, I would like to thank the village elders for the Yamana ceremony, Binaka. I'm also happy to be present here with all of you for this handing over ceremony. In fact, this was planned for the youth day, and I was told by my staff that the recipient and the communities want us to come here. So we delayed this handing over ceremony, and that's why we are here today for this ceremony. It is also an honor and a positive turn away from the atmosphere of urban areas with the peacefulness and quiet feelings that your surroundings present. Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon I'm here to hand over an electrical project assistance to one of the members of your very own community and a successful recipient in the Central Division, Mr. Kumar. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also very delighted because we are meeting the needs of our youths from the submissions that were received at the ministry and approved as what we have witnessed today. I was advised that the recipient had submitted his application twice before it was approved. So I will encourage each one of you that you must keep on believing in yourself and do good. And one day you will also get your desires fulfilled. Some months back, we have appointed around 29 youth officers throughout the country. The whole reason for us to appoint these 29 youth workers is for them to go and reach out to our youths, such as the youth who are present here. Because we do understand that our youth sometimes are very shy to reach out to the youth office or to the relevant officers. We have made a point now that our youth officers, they will come and visit you. They will come and talk to you. They will come and listen to you. They will come and understand your grievances, your problems that you have on ground. And from our end, we will see how we can assist you, the youths of this settlement and throughout the country. So it is an opportunity for me to share this with all of you, and I can see a lot of youth here, and I urge, if you have not been registered, please register your club so that you can also access to the benefits that we are giving to all the youths around the country. Ladies and gentlemen, in life it is important to understand and know your weaknesses and strengths, and make honesty your principle in life, which is very important. For when we act and reflect with honesty, the stronger and more effective we become with all our future plans. You can achieve anything when you believe in your good self. and try to do things that you think it is right for you. It is not for us to come and dictate you do this. It has to be your wish. And I am confident that this project, assistance presented today, will go a long way to assist Rajiv in reaching out to the needy ones in the communities and also to assist him with his electrical businesses. In life, we get a lot from our loved ones, our friends, our families, and most importantly, our community, who supports us in many ways, and we need to give back to our community as well. We need to make a difference in our very own community, and every small action will help and contribute towards the well-being of our community and its members. Today we live in a period of significant change in which COVID-19 has impact on our youth. We will have to adjust ourselves. We might have to do things differently on the impact of this COVID-19. We will have to change the way we were living before. And that is why I will request here today that please, as a youth, take active role in what you are doing for yourself and for your communities. It's no point only saying that you are a future if you don't do anything. You need to do, because we will come to your doorstep to assist you. And that is why for this financial year, my ministry will be once again assisting the registered youth groups for assistance. Grant assistance will be advertised later this year. So I encourage you to get your groups organized and register with the Ministry of Youth and start working on the logistics that may assist your group to secure funding. You need to think about projects that will suit your communities, that will benefit your community. And I have been saying this to all the youths, that it has to be an income generating project. Wherever I go, when I talk to the youths, this is my message, that our youths needs to be involved in income generating projects, so that at the end of the day, you have some profits. And with that profit, you can expand the business that you intend to do. And we have seen a lot of success stories throughout the country. The grants that we have given to our youth clubs, there is a lot of success stories. So before I conclude, I once again encourage you to seek help and offer help. You will need their help and they will need yours. I wish you all well, and in particular Rajiv in his future endeavors. And definitely I know with this assistance, his priority will be to support this community as well. And I want to wish him all the best. Inaka and thank you.
Huh?